Isn't it frustrating when you don't have a good handle on essay or report writing conventions? Do you make frequent mistakes in word choice, or do you struggle with writing grammatically correct sentences and with writing well-structured and organized paragraphs? Luckily, there is help.
Study can be challenging, especially when you start stressing over a problem. Don't worry, Studiosity is here to help. Wherever you are, we're there with you too. Studiosity offers personal online support anywhere. From our dedicated team of subject specialists, we'll work with you to get you the help you need, giving you the confidence and essential skills to succeed. You can connect live with us to chat, illustrate, and even upload diagrams and files to work through your question with a specialist in real time. Want writing feedback on your draft? Send it to us and get help back within 24 hours. Remember, whenever you feel stuck, just look for Studiosity.
Once you clicked on the button above, you'll need to tell a little about the file you'd like Studiosity to review and upload it. You will have just 4 simple and quick questions to fill out before hitting the Send for Review button. So the first question is, which file would you like Studiosity to review? Easy. Second question is, how far have you got with your task? Is it your first draft? Are you nearly there? Or are you almost ready to hand your assignment in? The third question is on the type of the assessment task that you need help with. Is it an essay or report? So you indicate that. And lastly, you indicate which areas should your tutor focus on. Is it on the structure, choice of language, spelling, grammar, referencing, maybe all of these? That's fine. And remember, Studiosity's English writing feedback is for any course, any assignment, because the focus is English writing and not content. Another option for you is to connect live with subject specialists. You can have one-to-one chat with a subject specialist, supported by live whiteboard and image upload facility. So here the emphasis is assistance rather than providing answers. So that would be really for courses you need with core skills in English, science. Studiosity is easily accessed from the Studiosity blog located in all units in LMS. You are allowed up to 20 interactions each year, including writing submissions and live connect sessions. You will receive feedback on your assignment within 24 hours.